Did you know that sunlight therapy is well known for all of its amazing health benefits? From improved mood and sleep, to enhanced bone health and reduced inflammation. Stay tuned to learn about heliotherapy, or sunlight therapy, its effects, how you can take advantage of them, and more. Welcome to Levitas. Heliotherapy can have a positive impact on chronic inflammation, a condition linked to numerous health issues, including autoimmune diseases, cardiovascular problems, and metabolic disorders. Sunlight exposure has been shown to modulate the immune system, reducing the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines and promoting anti-inflammatory pathways. One of the mechanisms by which sunlight helps reduce inflammation is through the synthesis of vitamin D, which has well-documented anti-inflammatory properties. Vitamin D can regulate the immune system and suppress the expression of inflammatory markers, potentially reducing the severity of inflammatory conditions. Additionally, the increase in serotonin levels from sunlight exposure may contribute to the management of inflammation, as serotonin has been implicated in modulating the immune response. By incorporating moderate sunlight exposure into daily routines, individuals may experience a reduction in chronic inflammation and its associated health risks. Heliotherapy can indirectly support weight management and fat release through several mechanisms. One way sunlight exposure aids in weight management is by regulating the circadian rhythm, which can influence metabolism and appetite control. Proper alignment of the body's internal clock helps ensure optimal hormone release, including those related to hunger and satiety. Moreover, sunlight exposure can boost serotonin production, which not only improves mood but also helps regulate appetite. Higher serotonin levels are associated with reduced cravings and improved control over eating behaviors, making it easier to maintain a healthy diet. Additionally, vitamin D, produced during sun exposure, has been linked to improved insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism, factors that can influence body weight and fat storage. While heliotherapy is not a standalone solution for weight loss, it can be a valuable component of a holistic approach to managing body weight and promoting overall health. Heliotherapy has a profound impact on mood enhancement, primarily due to its role in boosting serotonin levels in the brain. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter associated with feelings of happiness, well-being, and calmness. When sunlight hits the skin and eyes, it stimulates the production of serotonin, leading to improved mood and increased emotional resilience. This effect is particularly significant for individuals experiencing seasonal affective disorder, or SAD, a type of depression that occurs during the darker months of the year. Heliotherapy can alleviate symptoms of SAD by providing the necessary light exposure to boost serotonin levels and regulate mood. Moreover, the calming effects of sunlight can help reduce stress and anxiety, promoting mental clarity and emotional stability. Regular sun exposure, especially during the morning, can enhance mood, increase energy levels, and support overall mental well-being. Heliotherapy also plays a supportive role in enhancing the immune system. Sunlight exposure leads to the synthesis of vitamin D, which is crucial for optimal immune function. Vitamin D acts as an immune modulator, regulating both the innate and adaptive immune responses. Adequate levels of vitamin D are associated with a reduced risk of infections and improved response to pathogens. Additionally, sunlight exposure can increase the production of antimicrobial peptides in the skin, providing a first line of defense against harmful microbes. These peptides help protect the body from infections and support skin health. The anti-inflammatory effects of vitamin D also contribute to immune regulation, reducing the risk of chronic inflammatory conditions that can compromise immune function. By incorporating regular sunlight exposure into daily routines, you can bolster their immune system and enhance their ability to ward off illnesses. Heliotherapy can significantly improve sleep quality and regulate the sleep-wake cycle. Sunlight exposure during the day, particularly in the morning, helps set the body's internal clock, or circadian rhythm, which governs the sleep-wake cycle. This alignment is crucial for the production of melatonin, a hormone responsible for promoting sleep. Morning sunlight exposure signals to the brain that it is time to be awake, while the decrease in light exposure in the evening cues the production of melatonin, facilitating restful sleep. By maintaining a consistent circadian rhythm, individuals can experience improved sleep onset, duration, and quality. Incorporating heliotherapy into daily routines can help improve sleep patterns, leading to better overall health and well-being. What skin issues does it aid? Heliotherapy can be beneficial for certain skin conditions, thanks to the effects of UV light on skin cell processes. One of the primary skin issues it aids is psoriasis, a condition characterized by the rapid growth of skin cells leading to scaly patches. UV light can slow down this excessive cell production, reducing the symptoms and improving the appearance of the skin. Another condition that can benefit from heliotherapy is eczema, which involves inflamed, itchy skin. Sunlight exposure can help alleviate the inflammation and itchiness associated with eczema, providing relief to those who suffer from this condition. The antimicrobial properties of sunlight can also assist in reducing the occurrence of skin infections, particularly in individuals with compromised skin barriers. Heliotherapy is also known to improve acne conditions by reducing bacteria on the skin's surface and decreasing oil production, though it's important for individuals to be cautious about prolonged exposure, which could worsen inflammation or cause skin damage. While sunlight can be a helpful adjunct in managing these conditions, it's essential to balance exposure with skin protection to prevent potential damage from UV radiation. An interesting fact about heliotherapy is that it has been used for centuries as a treatment for various ailments, long before modern medicine recognized the science behind it. Ancient cultures, including the Greeks and Egyptians, intuitively understood the healing power of the sun, which modern research has now confirmed through its impact on vitamin D production, mood regulation, and overall health. Moreover, during the early 20th century, heliotherapy was a common treatment for tuberculosis before antibiotics became widely available. Patients were often prescribed time in sun sanatoriums, where they would spend hours exposed to natural sunlight as part of their recovery process. Sunlight plays a crucial role in bone health, primarily through its influence on vitamin D production. When our skin is exposed to sunlight, specifically ultraviolet B rays, it synthesizes vitamin D, a vital nutrient for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Vitamin D facilitates the absorption of calcium and phosphorus from the diet, essential minerals that contribute to bone mineralization and density. Adequate levels of vitamin D help prevent conditions like rickets in children and osteomalacia and osteoporosis in adults. Rickets, characterized by weak or soft bones, was once a common condition in children with insufficient sunlight exposure. Studies have shown that individuals with higher vitamin D levels tend to have better bone density and a lower risk of fractures, particularly in older adults. It's important to note that while sunlight is an excellent source of vitamin D, excessive exposure without protection can increase the risk of skin damage and skin cancer. Therefore, a balanced approach is essential, combining sensible sun exposure with dietary sources of vitamin D and supplements if necessary. Heliotherapy, or sunlight exposure, plays a complex role in eye health, offering potential benefits. Moderate exposure to natural sunlight is essential for maintaining healthy vision and supporting various aspects of ocular health. One of the key benefits of sunlight exposure for eye health is its role in preventing myopia, or nearsightedness, especially in children. Research suggests that spending time outdoors in natural light can reduce the risk of developing myopia. Sunlight exposure is thought to help regulate the growth of the eye and prevent excessive elongation of the eyeball, a factor contributing to myopia. Proper regulation of circadian rhythms can enhance overall eye health and reduce the risk of conditions like dry eye syndrome and eye strain. Prolonged UV exposure can increase the risk of cataracts, a clouding of the eye's lens that can impair vision. It can also contribute to the development of age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. To protect the eyes from harmful UV rays while enjoying the benefits of natural light, it is important to wear sunglasses that block UV rays and a wide-brimmed hat when spending extended periods outdoors. This balanced approach allows individuals to reap the benefits of heliotherapy for eye health while minimizing potential risks. In conclusion, heliotherapy offers a natural method to enhance well-being by harnessing the power of sunlight to promote physical and mental health. From reducing chronic inflammation to supporting weight management and mood enhancement, heliotherapy provides a holistic approach to wellness that integrates easily into daily life. Sunlight's ability to modulate the immune system and regulate inflammatory responses is particularly notable, offering potential relief for those suffering from chronic inflammation and related health issues. The synthesis of vitamin D during sun exposure not only supports bone health by enhancing calcium absorption, but also plays a critical role in immune regulation, further illustrating the broad-reaching impact of heliotherapy. The mood-enhancing effect also supports better sleep by regulating circadian rhythms and promoting the production of melatonin, thus improving sleep quality and duration. Heliotherapy's impact on skin health is evident through its beneficial effects on conditions such as psoriasis, eczema, and acne, offering relief through the natural properties of UV light. Additionally, the role of sunlight in preventing myopia and maintaining eye health highlights the complex relationship between light exposure and vision. Through thoughtful integration into daily routines, heliotherapy emerges as a powerful ally in promoting comprehensive health and well-being. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated, it helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.